Thanks for joining me. Today we are going to be taking this Ryobi cordless drill with a 4 amp hour battery and attaching it to this StrikeMaster Lite-Flite auger, 8-inch, and seeing how many holes we can drill with it together paired up. Before we get started, I would like to state that I am on a private pond, and I'm also going to mark all my holes when I'm finished for safety. So let's get started by drilling a hole and see how much ice there is. So as you can see, there is currently 8 inches of ice. So let's get started and see how many holes we can drill with this setup. This is impressive. I didn't think I'd get this many holes. I got over 50 holes already and still going. And she's pretty much dead. Barely get through on that one. So we got 70 holes and she started to die off on the last two couple. I could probably get another maybe 5 holes yet. So 70 holes at 8 inches is 560 inches of ice. This setup drilled with probably enough battery for 1 or 2, 3, possibly 5 more emergency holes if you needed them. But this Ryobi brushless hammer drill with a 4 amp hour battery set up with this 8-inch StrikeMaster Lite-Flite auger will drill plenty of holes for your fishing needs. Comment down below what you're using, what kind of setup you're using, what drill, what auger, what size, and how many inches of ice you've been able to get cut through. For me, this is more than plenty. I usually only drill 5 to 10 holes per day, depending on what I'm fishing for. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this helps you out with your next purchase and how many holes you will be able to get with your setup on your Ryobi StrikeMaster Lite-Flite 8-inch auger. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.